Hello and welcome everyone out there. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to draw a panda face in a step-by-step, quick and easy way within just 3 minutes. So watch it till the end and don't forget to subscribe, hitting the bell icon to receive the latest updates every weekend. So let's begin to draw following the steps. At last, I have a small solicitation for you. If you find this video helpful or motivating even a little bit, then please subscribe this channel to support us and share it right now with your friends or loved ones to motivate them as well. You can also leave your valuable comments about the topic of the next video you would like to watch, because our sole objective is to help you. That's it for now. We will be back with a new video every other weekend. Until then, keep learning, keep sparkling. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.